Hi, so this is Hayley.
Hello.
Hello. And Hayley's just going to have a quick chat about her experience on Singing for Beginners course. So, yeah, what did you get out of it? What do you think?
Just confidence, really, I suppose. No, more than that, actually. So confidence to come back and improve my voice. And I was already using it casually for work, for singing with children, but I always knew I wanted to do more of that and be more confident with that. And to be able to say, oh yeah, I sing. I wanted to be able to say I could sing. And I do feel like I can sing.
You can sing.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And
She
just
can
having
sing.
the tools as well to know, like, what I need to do with my voice to improve it in situations where I think, oh no, I can't quite reach that note, or the set of skills.
I love that moment on the course where you sort of explain things to people and their little eyes light up that, oh, they're actually, it's not just, well, have another go. Let's try that again. You know, there are actually those techniques and things that we cover on the course where I'm like learning how to control the sound and that kind of stuff. I really love that moment.
Yeah.
Do you remember how quickly you sort of noticed a difference in stuff like that?
Certainly by the end of the 6 weeks, I felt really confident with it. But I'd say a couple of weeks in, like once I'd really settled into like not feeling nervous and actually been able to take in the information. But I can remember driving via my mum's on the way home, just to be like, oh yeah, so when you breathe in, like you're breathing like out, like the like not breathe in, squeeze your tummy in, and just things like that I'd never ever thought about. Like taking a breath in would like fill me up as opposed to letting like squeezing it all in. Things like that.
Not
like,
really, someone else's breathe in.
That's
someone
what
else is getting in the lift. Yeah.
I can remember. So I guess quite quickly.
That's really cool. There were those sort of couple of techniques right at the beginning where you can just really open up people's voices. I think what you said there about after a couple of weeks where you've relaxed and you're more open and receptive to it, and like being able to actually think and reflect about what we're learning without that constant narrative of everybody's listening to me. I don't know if this is kind of how I used to feel at the gym, that like everyone's looking at me and all of that. And then I talked to some people at the gym and like, and everybody's worried that everybody's looking at them, and I was, well, I'm not looking at anybody. So probably nobody's looking at me. It's just and once you can put that down, the improvement accelerates, doesn't it? Because once you realise that everybody is just all consumed with their own with their own stuff.
There's something about doing it in a group anyway, like you get us making some really strange sounds, to be fair.
It's a lot of weird noises.
But making it with some...
We have a soundproof room now that we didn't have when Hayley did her course.
But making those sounds with other people in a group situation is... I don't know. I can't even describe the feeling of that.
Yeah, having people around you who understand is really good, isn't it?